Mascara is a beauty essential for defining lashes and enhancing your eyes, but clumping can be a frustrating issue. There's nothing worse than trying to achieve that long, voluminous lash look only to end up with messy, stuck-together lashes. If you're tired of clumping and want to find a mascara that delivers smooth, well-defined lashes every time, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 5 non-clumping mascaras in this year. These mascaras are designed to give you flawless lashes without the frustration of clumping. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Revlon Non Clumping Mascara. The Revlon Non Clumping Mascara is designed to deliver voluminous, defined lashes without the mess of clumps. This mascara is a great option for those who want the perfect balance of volume and length while maintaining a natural look. With its innovative formula and brush design, Revlon has created a mascara that separates each lash with precision, giving you a beautifully defined and clump-free finish. Key features: Revlon's non-clumping mascara is formulated with a special blend of ingredients that ensure smooth application without any clumping. The brush is designed with fine, spaced-out bristles that help evenly distribute the mascara from the root to the tip of each lash. The formula is also lightweight, ensuring your lashes don't feel heavy or stiff after application. This mascara is buildable, so you can layer it to achieve the desired volume without worrying about clumps. Benefits and usage: the Revlon Non-Clumping Mascara is perfect for daily wear, providing natural-looking lashes with a boost of volume. Its buildable formula allows you to customize your lash look, whether you're going for a subtle enhancement or a more dramatic effect. Ideal for sensitive eyes, this mascara glides on easily and resists smudging throughout the day. Whether you're heading to the office or out for a night on the town, this mascara will keep your lashes looking perfect without clumps. Usability: the brush design makes this mascara incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners. It separates lashes with ease, creating a defined, voluminous look without clumping or smudging. The lightweight formula means your lashes stay soft and flexible, rather than stiff or brittle. Revlon's non-clumping mascara is also quick-drying, so you don't have to worry about smudging during application. Its smooth application makes it a great option for creating a flawless lash look every time. Durability: one of the standout features of this mascara is its long-lasting wear. It holds up well throughout the day without flaking or smudging, even in humid conditions. While it's not waterproof, it is water-resistant, ensuring your lashes stay flawless for hours. Removal is easy with makeup remover or micellar water, leaving your lashes clean and healthy without any harsh scrubbing. In the second spot, we have COVERGIRL Clump Crusher Mascara. The COVERGIRL Clump Crusher Mascara is a fan favorite known for its ability to deliver voluminous, defined lashes without the dreaded clumping. This mascara is designed to provide smooth, full lashes with a unique brush that helps separate each lash for a flawless finish. COVERGIRL's Clump Crusher Mascara promises long-lasting results without the mess of clumpy lashes. Key features: the defining feature of this mascara is its curved brush with specially designed bristles that grab and separate each lash for a clean application. The formula is infused with fibers that add length and volume to each lash while maintaining a light, flexible texture. The mascara is also smudge-proof and resists flaking, making it perfect for all-day wear. Its unique clump-free formula ensures that your lashes stay defined and full without any unwanted clumps. Benefits and usage: COVERGIRL's Clump Crusher Mascara is perfect for achieving bold lashes without the hassle of clumps. The brush design ensures that each lash is coated evenly, resulting in full, voluminous lashes that are well separated. This mascara is ideal for those who want to achieve a natural, yet defined look. Whether you're going for a natural daytime look or a more dramatic evening style, this mascara gives you the flexibility to customize your lash look. Usability: the brush of the Clump Crusher Mascara makes it incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners. It reaches every lash, ensuring even coverage and separation. The lightweight formula doesn't weigh down lashes, and it builds nicely without clumping. The clump-free formula ensures that you won't experience any unwanted mess, making it a great option for anyone who struggles with clumpy mascaras. The smudge-proof formula also means you can trust it to stay in place all day. Durability. The Clump Crusher Mascara has impressive staying power, holding up well throughout the day without smudging or flaking. It's perfect for those long days or nights when you need your lashes to stay defined and voluminous. While it's not waterproof, it is resistant to humidity and sweat, making it a great option for all-day wear. When it's time to remove the mascara, it comes off easily with makeup remover, leaving no residue behind. Coming in at number 3 is the IDUN Minerals Non Clumping Mascara. IDUN Minerals Non Clumping Mascara is a luxurious, high-performance mascara that promises to deliver stunning lashes without the hassle of clumping. This mascara is made with a unique mineral-based formula that enhances the natural beauty of your lashes. IDUN Minerals is known for its commitment to clean beauty, making this non-clumping mascara a perfect choice for those seeking a gentle yet effective mascara. Key features: the formula of the IDUN Minerals Non-Clumping Mascara is enriched with natural minerals that nourish and strengthen your lashes while providing a smooth, clump-free application. The brush is designed to coat each lash evenly, ensuring that every lash is separated and defined. This mascara is also free of parabens, fragrances, and other harsh chemicals, making it a great option for those with sensitive eyes or skin. Benefits and usage: IDUN Minerals Non-Clumping Mascara is ideal for those looking for a gentle yet effective mascara that doesn't compromise on performance. The mineral-infused formula helps to nourish lashes while providing them with volume and length. This mascara is perfect for those with sensitive eyes, as it's free of irritating chemicals and is gentle on the delicate eye area. The non-clumping formula ensures that your lashes remain separated and defined, whether you're wearing it for a natural look or building it up for more volume. Usability: the brush of the IDUN Minerals Mascara is designed for easy application, with a sleek design that helps to separate and define each lash. The formula glides on smoothly, ensuring that there's no clumping or flaking during application. It's also buildable, allowing you to layer for more volume without the worry of clumping. This mascara is gentle on the lashes, leaving them feeling soft and nourished rather than stiff or brittle. Durability: IDUN Minerals Non-Clumping Mascara is long-lasting, staying in place throughout the day without smudging or flaking. It provides a natural finish that lasts, even in humid conditions. While it's not waterproof, it's resistant to sweat and oil, making it suitable for all-day wear. The gentle formula makes it easy to remove at the end of the day, leaving your lashes feeling healthy and hydrated. Taking our 4th spot is Makeup Studio Amsterdam Clump-free Mascara. Makeup Studio Amsterdam Clump-free Mascara is designed to provide bold, voluminous lashes without any of the clumping or flaking that can sometimes occur with other mascaras. This mascara is formulated with a special blend of ingredients that give you full, defined lashes with a smooth application every time. It's perfect for those who want a dramatic look without the mess of clumpy lashes. Key features: the Makeup Studio Amsterdam Clump-free Mascara features a unique formula that ensures smooth application and separation of lashes. The brush is designed to coat each lash evenly, adding volume and length while keeping lashes separated and defined. The mascara is also enriched with nourishing ingredients that help to condition and protect your lashes, leaving them looking and feeling healthy. Its clump-free formula ensures that you won't experience any unwanted buildup, even after multiple coats. Benefits and usage: this mascara is ideal for anyone looking to achieve bold, defined lashes without the frustration of clumping. The formula is buildable, so you can layer it for more intensity without worrying about clumps or flakes. Whether you're looking for a natural daytime look or a more dramatic evening style, this mascara delivers a flawless finish every time. It's perfect for those who want voluminous lashes with a smooth, defined look. Usability: the brush of the Makeup Studio Amsterdam Clump-free Mascara makes it easy to apply and ensure each lash is coated evenly. The formula glides on smoothly, creating a clean, defined look without any clumping. The mascara is buildable, so you can easily add multiple layers for a more dramatic effect. The non-clumping formula means you won't have to worry about any messy lashes, and the smooth finish makes it perfect for everyday wear. Durability: this mascara holds up well throughout the day, staying in place without smudging or flaking. The formula resists humidity and sweat, ensuring your lashes remain voluminous and defined. It's not waterproof, but it offers excellent resistance to smudging. When it's time to remove the mascara, it comes off easily with makeup remover, leaving your lashes clean and conditioned. And finally, at number 5, we have terbklf Non Clumping Mascara. terbklf Non Clumping Mascara is a high-performance mascara designed to provide voluminous, defined lashes without any clumps or flaking. Its unique formula is crafted to give you long-lasting results, adding length and fullness to each lash while maintaining a smooth, clump-free finish. This mascara is a great choice for those looking for both volume and separation without the mess. Key features: terbklf's formula is enriched with a blend of nourishing ingredients that help to condition and strengthen lashes while adding volume and length. The brush is designed to coat each lash evenly, ensuring that no lashes are left behind or clumped together. The lightweight formula dries quickly and doesn't leave lashes feeling stiff or heavy. Its buildable formula allows you to add layers for a more dramatic look without worrying about clumps. Benefits and usage: this mascara is perfect for those who want fuller, longer lashes without the frustration of clumping. The lightweight formula allows you to build volume without any buildup, making it perfect for both day and night wear. The non-clumping design ensures that your lashes stay separate and defined throughout the day. Whether you're looking for a subtle, natural look or a more dramatic lash effect, terbklf Non Clumping Mascara offers the versatility to suit your needs. Usability: the brush of this mascara is designed to make application effortless, ensuring that each lash is coated evenly. The smooth formula glides on without any tugging or pulling, and it's easy to layer for added volume. It's a great option for beginners who want to avoid clumping and achieve a defined, voluminous look with ease. The brush is designed to reach every lash, ensuring no lash is left behind. Durability: terbklf Non Clumping Mascara provides long-lasting wear that stays in place without smudging or flaking. The formula is resistant to humidity and sweat, making it perfect for all-day wear. While it's not waterproof, it holds up well in various conditions, keeping your lashes looking flawless throughout the day. Removal is easy, as it comes off with makeup remover without leaving any residue behind. Finding the best non-clumping mascara can truly make a difference in your beauty routine, whether you're looking for volume, length, or simply well-defined lashes. The 5 mascaras we've reviewed today, Revlon, COVERGIRL, IDUN Minerals, Makeup Studio Amsterdam, and terbklf, offer unique solutions to clumping and flaking. With their innovative formulas and brush designs, they ensure smooth, voluminous lashes every time. Have you tried any of these mascaras? Let us know which one you love in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.